Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and rewind a workout on a ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find application and install it. After installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, where your first thing you're going to need to do is to go ahead and buy a subscription if you do not already have a free trial. So because the ladder cannot be used for free, so once you've done that, here at the bottom of the screen we can get started selecting our team in the bottom right corner from where we want to get started with doing our workouts. So once you've selected your team, we can go to the workout page right here to the left side of the screen and get started with the workout. So let's go and take a look at how to rewind the workout. So first thing you're going to do is start the workout by tapping on it right here and clicking the start workout option. This is going to enable you to go ahead and get started with using the workout, and you're going to have the pause option as well. So as you can see, basically your workout is going to go ahead and look like this, where you can just go ahead and go to the main page and start your workout. So once you've done that, we can get started rewinding it by pausing the workout and then dragging the progress bar back to the desired location. So basically you're going to have the pause option right here at the bottom of the screen, and basically this is going to enable you to go ahead and rewind it whenever you want and get back to it, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.